What's up, gamers? It's Freddy here once again, and yes, we got another item to unbox here today. Alright, I know you're gonna love this item once again, alright, but if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have new video, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this item right over here. Let's go! Yeah. Alright, gamers, so this is the item that we're going to unbox for today. So there you go. Packaging wise, it's just plastic, and let's check inside if we have some more protection. Okay, boom, there you go. Oh, good job. There's a bubble wrap inside, and let's add some alcohol to it first to make it shape and secure. There you go. So packaging wise, although it's a little bit thin, but let's see if the item is secured because this is a little sensitive. Alright, so let me just go on ahead and make this quick. Our cell phone is about to go out. Go up. Okay, so yes, you have the bubble wrap and you have the box inside the box. Okay, I know you have a hint right now. Yes, this is what you think it is. Alright, so it's an SJCAM, and of course it's a camera supposed to be. It's SJCAM, so let's just cut this one out. Let's just put some more alcohol in here just to be safe. There you go, and let's cut this one out right over here. There you go. So this is just a quick unboxing. Alright, so look at this camera. For those people who has been in the action camera, or not action camera industry, but for those people who love action cameras, ever since this action camera came out, SJCAM is one of those budget action camera that you can find. This is one of my dream camera before, alright, SJ camera, because I used to buy the cheaper ones, but hey, this is another new camera from SJCAM, which is the SJ11. Packaging wise, look at this packaging. It is really nice and tight, looks premium. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm pretty excited about this camera. So why I bought this camera, I don't have much to shell out for a GoPro or an Insta360 or even a DJI camera, action cam right now. So this is a budget one, and we'll just see about it. All right, so there you go. Look at that sound, or listen to that sound. This is really satisfying, removing these plastics. There you go. And I like the packaging already. This part right over is embossed, a little embossed, and this part is embossed, and this too, you can actually feel it. So packaging wise is pretty nice for me. Alright, so you have some serial number in here, right? And there's a label right over here which says scratch and check. Okay, so I don't know what this is, but maybe you have to scan it. Scratch and check. I don't know why should I scratch it, but I don't want to do it right now. So I just want to show you how good the packaging is from SJCAM, of course. Alright, so we have a, I don't know how to open this up. This is totally brand new, but there is a tape right over here, so this is where usually it starts, right? So yeah, let's peel this up. There's actually a black label right over here. Black label sounds like a liquor to me, right? There you go. Boom, did you hear that sound? Okay, there you go. So wow, right inside the box, this is what you have. So this is the camera itself. Okay, inside the waterproof casing. So let's set this aside for the meantime. So there's nothing more here on this part of the box, but there is another box right in here. So inside the box you have here the manual, which nobody reads, of course, but I'm gonna read it because I wanna know more about this camera. So let's set aside the box for the meantime, right over here, and let's check out what's inside this box. Okay, there you go, and boom. So these are the accessories included. So we have here a mount. So we have two mounts in here already included. So I really don't know which is which, but we'll figure it out upon the review of this item. So you also have one charging cable, which is type C already. So this is USB type C, guys. You also have two 3M mounting tape, and I think this is a legit 3M. All right, if you guys can see it, so I hope it is. You have a cloth, cleaning cloth. You have a lens cap right over here. All right, so let me show everything right here so you guys can see it. And there you go. What is this? Okay, so these are more mounting accessories for the helmet, I guess, or wherever you want to put it. And you have some screws and another mount accessories, and this is a holder for your camera, right over there. And wow, this is pretty tight. So it's pretty tight, it's really tight, guys. So I don't know how to open it up, but we're definitely gonna figure it out. I think it's locked or something, so figure it out. And yeah, it's pretty solid, it's hard plastic. And what else? You have two stickers right over here. All right, so there you go. So let's just put it back and check out the camera for the main event. Wow, main event, right? So let's just set this aside for the meantime, and this is the bad boy right over here. Look at that. So yeah, there is a label here at least that to open. I have to push it right there, but let's just check the case. I think the case is pretty tight. It's waterproof. I'm hoping that it's 100% waterproof, right? But you know, SJCAM, I trust SJCAM somehow. I don't know if you're looking for really a budget type of action camera. SJCAM has been in the market for years now, and I think that's really their target market is the middle class. So I think that's the reason why. So let's just open it. There you go. I have to push it and lift it. It's really hard to open, guys. So I'm having a hard time. There you go. There you go. There you go. So I have to switch it right there, and there you go. Okay, very nice. This lock is pretty nice than before. Alright, it's pretty tight. Let's open it. Let's open it. Come on, guys. Come on. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty tight. There you go. Finally open, and this is the case. Alright, and this is the camera right over here. Wow, very nice. It feels like, it really feels premium. I thought it's plastic, but it feels like somewhat metal. So it's really nice. It feels like metal, really premium. Alright, so let's just peel it up. This part right over here is like rubber, right? But the rest is feels like metal. I didn't expect it to be like this. I expected it to be like plastic or something, but it feels like metal, and I hope it's really metal. But I feel like I don't want to remove this lens cover right over it, but I'll probably put it back. But just for you guys, I'll go ahead and peel it up just for you, just to show it to you. Let's just peel it up. Boom. Wow, it is really nice. I'm loving it. I'm loving it already. I didn't expect it to be like this. And you have here what? I think this is a lens cover or something, right? That you can actually remove. I saw it. You can actually twist it. I don't want to break it, but yeah, it's twisting. There you go. Alright, so you can actually remove it and put some. Oh, there you go. Filters on it, right? If you have some indie filters, I think it would work. And I just want to check and see the quality, but let's check the other parts as well. And this is the back cover. I want to remove it. I'm not quite sure if I want to remove it or not, but I want to. Okay, just to see the quality, just first to see the quality, and I'll have an in-depth review about it. But let me guys go ahead and show you this and let you hear this part. There you go. Satisfying, right? Wow, look at that, look at that. It's really premium and it's really nice. Wow, it is really nice. I really don't know how to operate it yet, but there's still plastic in here. I feel like I don't want to remove it, but yeah, let's go ahead and remove it just for you guys to see. There you go. Wait a second. This is pretty premium. There you go. I don't know if you guys heard it, but it's there. Wow. Wow, I'm so in love with this action camera. I didn't expect it to be a solid build because the review that I've seen so far are really bad reviews. Yeah, I'm gonna have an in-depth review about this one. This is just an unboxing. I'm gonna play around with it first, but let's turn it on for the first time. Oh, this is rubber. There you go, guys. Did you hear that? Wow. Wow. pretty impressed. I'm pretty impressed. I'm speechless, but they say you have to press it like 3 times, I think, so that the front-facing camera would turn on and switch from here. I'm gonna do an in-depth review about this, but I'll just show it to you this working. Then please insert card. Oh yeah, wait a second. I'll go ahead and get my SD card from my drone DJI. Alright, so DJ, I'm gonna borrow your SD card for the meantime because it's asking us to have an SD card, so we need to insert an SD card. I really don't know how, and I'll just turn it on for the meantime. Okay, here we go, guys. This is really nice, right? I'll turn it on first. I didn't expect it to be this quality, so I have to press it, right? And there you go. So to open it, just press the button and pull it out. This is for the battery. So battery wise, this is a 1300 mAh battery. Very nice. I didn't expect it to be like this, but it's solid build for me at least. I haven't had any GoPro or SJ or DJI Osmo action camera, but so far I like it. I hope someone would send me a GoPro or a DJ action cam. So the slot is not there. Let's try this other one. So again, press and push. There you go. And yeah, there you go. There's the slot. We'll insert the extreme. This is SanDisk Extreme. Alright, so there's actually a guide right over there. The charging port is also right over there. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, right? So let's close it again, and now we have a camera, and let's turn it on. Okay, 5 seconds to turn on. I guess just 1. So I'm gonna shoot a video right now. It's actually touchscreen, guys. It's touchscreen. I don't know, it's really pretty premium, so I'll just go ahead and take a picture. How do I take a picture though? This is why we need to read the manual, guys. Okay, long press to take a picture. So I'm gonna take a picture of myself. You guys can see it, right? Whoa. Okay, there you go. Nice. Now the display is right over here. Okay, that's nice. So let me take a picture of myself. Alright, I like that. Nice. I'm liking this so far, but I wish I could tell you more about this gamer. But if you love this unboxing, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, family, or anyone just looking for an action cam right now, budget action cam. This is really legit, guys, I can assure you. Share your thoughts, questions, suggestions in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have a new video. This is Fred once again. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out to everyone, and keep safe to all of you. And once again, don't forget to take it easy. I'll see you in the next video. We'll have this reviewed, okay? Let's go. Yeah.